Hello class 12th. Today I am going to talk about one more device that is called potentiometer. This device is important for the theoretical purpose as well as for the practical also. Extensive use of this device is there. It's an accurate measure instrument for measuring the EMF of cell or potential difference between 2 points of an electric circuit. As you can see, it consists of a long and uniform metallic wire AB with one end A connected to positive terminal of the battery and other terminal is connected to negative terminal of the battery along with key and rheostat. The rheostat is basically used to vary the current in the circuit. The current in the device flows from positive terminal of the cell, moves at A and then goes from A to B, then back to it. If we want to measure the vary the current, we can change the setting of rheostat. The current from the battery flows in the wire from end A to B. You can see in the diagram. Therefore, and especially it's a precaution also that A should be at positive with respect to B. Therefore, the electric potential falls continuously along the wire from A to B. If we join a voltmeter like this with A and other end of the voltmeter with jockey and touch the jockey at A, then voltmeter will give some deflection. More and more we move away from A, the deflection in the voltmeter keeps on increasing. That is, when we put the jockey at A or at J, there is some deflection. When we put the jockey at J dash, deflection increases. Again at J double dash, more deflection. On J triple dash, more and more deflection. But you can see also that I am going away from A also. That is, with increasing voltage, the length of the wire is increasing. Their distance from A is also increasing. And that is the basics of this device, which says that if the wire of the potentiometer is of uniform cross-sectional area and constant current flows through it, then the potential difference across any segment of the wire, which wire? AB wire, is directly proportional to length of that segment. To make it more clear, if we say that if the potential difference between AJ is V and length AJ is L, then by the principle of potentiometer, the potential difference between A and J is directly proportional to the length of AJ, that is V proportional to L or V equal to KL. K is a proportionality constant and is called potential gradient. It has unit volt per meter. We can directly calculate the value of K by using an standard cell instead of voltmeter. And one of the standard cell is Western cadmium cell, whose EMF is 1.0184. Therefore, if we connect here with a standard cell and its length is 100 centimeter, then what will happen? The potential difference between A and J will be equal to EMF of the cell if we connect with EMF, and by this way we can find the value of K of the given device. This K determines the sensitivity of potentiometer. The sensitivity of potentiometer means the maximum deflection produced by it, even if the potential difference is smallest. Potential difference is smallest, and we can have a most sensitive galvanometer by having a potentiometer with least value of K. This least value of K can be changed, can be increased by increasing the length of the wire. Therefore, in the market we get potentiometer of AB wire 50 centimeter, we call half potentiometer. AB has 100 centimeter full wire, and then 200, 400, 800 something, 2 wire, 4 wire, 8 wire. Larger is the length of the wire, more is the sensitivity. Okay, hope you would have understood. Thank you very much.